same crash, 3 different versions, but the outcome's always the same. I end up on the floor. So my best mate Andrew took me for a trials day experience for my birthday. We've been mates for a long time, since we were teenagers, and this is it, something totally new for me. I've never been on a trials bike. The strangest thing for me was there was no seat, and so you start off the day and you go around this big field and you're learning how to use the bikes and go slowly and do slow turns. Then pretty much once you've got used to it, they take you out pretty straight away. There's lots of great instruction at this place, and then they take you on some easy trials in the morning and sort of gradually build your skills up. This is some of Andrew's footage. There's no sound on Andy's footage, whereas on mine you'll see later there's noise from the engine, etc. So this is the sort of scenery. You're on this massive farm that's near Leek, and the grounds are endless, and they've got some fantastic riding on there. It's well worth a go. Not sure how much it costs for the day, because obviously Andrew bought it as a birthday present for me. But these are the style of bikes, and like I say, you stood up pretty much all the time. They can pretty much go over anything, and we were going over logs and sleepers, up rocks, all sorts of stuff. So this is Andrew, on the floor. So it weren't just me that crashed that day. So picking the bike up, and as you can see, everybody helped. Oh no, they didn't. So all morning you're out and about on these sort of semi-easy trails. The instructors get you doing harder and harder things, but on the whole, it's very safe. And the instructors are first class. You really do get looked after. You have a good lunch there. So at lunchtime you go back. There was hot food. I think, if I remember right, it was a curry. I think there was a vegetable curry and a meat curry. But this is all the grounds of this massive farm where they've got full access to everywhere, and they take you to all these different riding styles. And it's a bit unusual for me, because obviously I'm more into sort of adventure riding, trials riding, so this was something brand new for me. But as you can see, these bikes will go over anything. They, in the right hands, they'll literally climb up these rocky bits. And but obviously my skill level is not like that. So after lunch, again, you get back on the bikes and you do a bit more of a warm-up, and then you pretty much set off. So in the afternoon we'd split into 2 groups, and we set off just doing slightly different things at different times. I think it's to split the groups up so that people aren't waiting around to do some of the more technical bits. There was 4 of us in our group, including the instructor. Our instructor was fantastic, first rate, and felt confident all day. So they get you going over up and down mounds of mud and rocks, and it's basically just getting you used to it. And you do several laps of it. Obviously I've cut this video down from about 4 hours to 10 minutes, so obviously I've had to cut a lot out. But it's like this bit here, we probably did this same bit front this way and coming the other way probably 10 times, just to get your skill levels in. But on my video here, I think I show it a couple of times. And then once he's happy with you, you then move on to a different section with different skill sets. So this was sort of behind there, we was doing a lot of mud, and I think we turn around in a minute, go back over the hill, and then we head towards the forest section. So this section was some really tricky, lumpy rocks, and as you can see, the instructor guides you over, shows you the best routes to get over it. And I really didn't think I'd get over this, but so pleased when I did. So then you get to another bit where you're going over a tyre, over a big block, and then down. So there's all sorts of technical parts of this where you just say building your skill level up all the time, going through muddy bogs. This bit here was very tricky. So we was going over logs. So we start off small, and then, as you'll see in a second, I come back round and go over the bigger section, and then you're going over the really big section. So then you reverse it and you're going over the other side, which is quite tricky. And you saw at the start of this video how it went badly. So then you're going over some more rocks, and you just keep doing loops of this area that's got some tricky technical bits in it to get you used to what these bikes can do. And I was really impressed with these bikes. I wouldn't have one. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to. It's not my style of riding. There's no seat for a start. So you go over this bit a few times, and then this is the bit where I thought, well, I'm going to give it a bit more beans going over this, and yeah, me and giving it beans didn't work out too well. But I thought I'd just do the video in 3 different views so you can see what actually happened. So then after that we went for another ride and did some more technical bits, but not quite so tricky as some of the bits we'd done. It was sort of like a bit of a cool down session at the end. As you can see, these bikes go anywhere, and in the skilled hands of the instructors, I mean, they could just get them doing things you just dream of doing. They spend so much time on these bikes, and they really are good fun. So I come off again, and we off to back on the plains a little bit. We met up with the group before we finished the day, and just did a bit of easy riding down some hills, and then it was sort of heading back, and just going up a few curves and hillsides, and just really it was just fun. It was just good fun. The way they do the day, it's all about enjoying yourselves, and you feel safe on these bikes. You're so low to ground with them, and they're not heavy. They're very light bikes, so don't be afraid to go on these things. They and also the instructors will let you take it easy. So they always say, if any part we're going to do that you don't want to do, there's always a route where you can go round it or stop and just watch. So there was 1 or 2 bits I thought, I'm a bit sketchy on that one, so I sort of sat out, or I just did it once rather than doing it loads of times. So we're heading back now to the centre where you drop your bike off and they wash them down. You hand back all the kit you've borrowed, which is amazing. They let you use all the kit free of charge, which a lot of other places I've been to hire it. So top marks for that. But if you fancy a day, they're called Trials Day. Really good fun, and you learn a lot with it, and go there. So while we were there, the women went for afternoon tea and champagne, and a good day was had by all.